que as crianças ganharam a piscina do meu sogro de dia do aniversário do Christian. Ethan got a float, baby.
Oh, James, don't even think about it because I will throw it back at you. Ow! I will throw it at you. There. Hey, try this.
Huh? What?
Good lucky, you little chicken. Where'd you go?
He locked the door.
I'm gonna get you. Don't come back outside.
Lily, can you shift this for me?
Yeah.
Ow. There's an easy target.
Hey, Christian, look at mommy.
See if I can-
Christian!